Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to jump on here and give a follow-up to a video that I did 2 days ago. It was in reference to the reciprocal tariffs that were going to be placed on Chinese imports and how that was going to affect the future price increase on the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. So today we just had an update that Apple iPhone and other electronics are going to be exempt from that tariff now. So yeah, quite a turn of events. So this is a tech channel, and all these tariffs that was going to be imposed on Chinese imports was going to affect a lot of electronic devices that were made in China. And that was definitely going to affect the IT industry as a whole. And me, as a consumer of electronic devices, laptops, phones, etc. So this is really, really good for everybody. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to get on here and give you an update. And you could go and see my other video from 2 days ago that I referenced earlier. You can go and check that out because I will link it in the description. Anyways, guys, you have a nice night and a good weekend. Catch you laters.